So yeah, that's what's gonna be right there. But I'll put it in the chats for y'all. That GP CAD. So once we pass that risk free zone, guys, we're good to go. We gotta break these A range highs. Once we break up out of there, we're good. Gotta take what the market gives us this winter. Whatever it gives us, you take. Let that one breathe for a second. Just look at some more pairs. See what other pairs is out there right now. I'm good to go. This winter though, I ain't gonna lie. After this boot camp, it's gonna be hard. It's gonna be some real low value after boot camp. That week of the 20th will be real low. So I mean, honestly, I would just educate and just chill out for those 2 weeks up until like maybe probably the 5th, the week of the 5th. Come back and try to trade maybe. Give yourself like 2 weeks and just chill. Cause man, it's gonna be rough. It's gonna be a rough one. It's gonna be a rough one. Unless you got a trading plan. If you got a trading plan, hey, go follow it 100%. But if you don't have a trading plan, you getting into it, yeah, definitely chill. Definitely chill. I'm looking at some pairs right now and see what they worth getting into right now. See what's up. What goes? What gold? Got some consolidation on gold. Got some consolidation on. It's a little different. Consolidating pretty heavy. We hit 1 TP last night. So that's legit. We'll take that. We'll take that. We'll wait to see what it does during New York, though. Close to New York, close to it. Probably end of the session, see if it pulls down or if it goes up. Gotta take the best possible setup, straight up. get caught in this market. Just 100 UK. See what Euro USD doing. I don't play it, but I feel like it's about to do something after watching yesterday's class. It was kind of interesting. I was like, I don't know. See what's happening. But the euro is so weak, it's insane. Let's see what we got. How far away from this? How far away? It's far away. It's far away. I guess you gotta wait for some setups. That's all. Slow morning. They're not pushing yet. That's all. So we do got an exit on this. So we do have an exit on this. And we got a tight stop loss as well. So if this thing starts to consolidate stuff on us, we're gonna rock up out of there. Not playing through that consolidation stuff. I don't do all that. Playing through consolidation, trying to wait to see where it goes. Not on the lives, I don't. Not on lives, I don't. I'm gonna put y'all through that. No way. That's too painful. Cat, all the chef pairs. Why are they selling? They got no news. New Zealand, Swiss. Looking at it now. Got a lot of rejection. It's playing in this fringe again too. See, these fringes is hard to play, and they do this to you. They'll build this right here, and they'll try to break it. So build these fringes, these consolidation zones right here. It's all fringes right here, especially in little time frames, and it'll psych you out. And you'll just be playing this right here. So if you're scalping, you're good because you're in your zone. But somebody that's trying to get actual like pip gain, you're sitting through a lot of consolidation. Let's say this whole box, this whole entire box went, this whole entire thing for what's this? The 7th to today. You're getting maybe 27 pips. It's not a lot. In 2 days, that's not a lot at all. Not off this pair. I mean, this pair runs about maybe 70 a day, but 27 in 2 days, really, if you just like, maybe you'll say what your first day. Let's see. You had a really good catch, 28. The average was 27. So there you go. Yeah. So you're getting 20, between 25 and 27 pips per move. Close to it if you catch them right. If you're catching it right. But this is a big fringe right here. Ideally, you wanted to break this fringe, and then you want to see where it goes down or up. That's gonna be the trend for it. So if you're watching these type of pairs, find your fringe, draw a box around it to hide the fringe, lower the fringe, and then when it breaks that fringe, that's the way you want to take it. So when it breaks that fringe, and when it breaks it and it pulls back and it gives you that entry, that's where you want to take it. So break it, pull back, give you an entry, and then go back down, or break it, pull back, give you an entry, and go back up. That's ideally how you want to play the fringe. Because these fringes are dangerous. They'll take your account. Unless you're scalping, that's different. Unless you're scalping. If you're trying to get some pip gain, you're gonna have to wait. And that fringe might not break for like 3 days. it could be 3 days in the fringe. You're like, I'm waiting for this pair for 3 days. When it breaks, you know that you got a long time in that trade. But if you come to the EMA bootcamp next month, you will definitely learn how to play the fringe. 100%. You'll never be afraid of the fringe again. But NZD CHF does look good. It's just a lot of rejection right here. A lot of rejection. This key level right here, it's rough. Taking the bounce off and come up. Yeah, absolutely. Set that buy limit. I mean, I would set a buy limit. I mean, right now it's in the buy limit area for me. I would be right here. Boom. TP1, TP2, TP3. Spread times 2 below this right here. Below last lower low. Bam. Risk to reward 1.26. I'll take that all day. I couldn't even be mad being stopped out at literally 10 pips to get 20 on the, or 29 on the 15-minute time frame. It's the scalping time frame right here. So I mean, it's a good set, buy limit. Set it, forget it, and then let it ride. Let it ride. Too much. Just let it ride. Boom. Let it ride. Set it. It's coming to the area too. Like set it, forget it, and then let it ride. You got 10 pips, man. 10 pips. 10 pips to gain 29 in your scalping time frame. And this thing can lead into the 1 hour intraday. It could roll way up there. Look at how much room that thing got. That thing got room. Might not ever tell you get out. But it looked good now because it's A range coming. So we're gonna see what it do though. See what it do. Where is? Yeah, these chef pairs are good. They're just consolidating. Let's see what Cash Chef doing. Same thing probably. Cash Chef got a little movement. Definitely in the downtrend. Coming out of a no trade zone. Got 10 pips. 10 pips until it pulls back for a pullback, but then it can just drip down. This is a good move. This is a good move though. It's actually a good move right here. Stick can come. It's got about 50 to 60 pips down here. Bam, another, yep. Could roll. Hold on, let's see what the 1 hour. Let's see what the 1 hour doing. 1 hour is doing that. What's the 4 hour doing? Yeah, this thing is good to go. So this is actually pretty good. Actually pretty good right here. Wait an hour, you get your really good move. Get your really good move, you wait an hour. Pay to wait. Pay to wait. I look for the big moves. That little moves is hard to get. Cause I got patience for the little moves. If I do, I'm in and out. I'm in and out of there. Catch Chef looks good. It's actually a pretty good trade there. Missed it all the way up here though. So what you can do is wait for this pullback. Let's see. check. Let's check. If you want to really take, if you really want to be patient on Cash App, you wait for this. This move will pull back, should pull back, and then it should take you to the 4 hour. So it should pull back here. Should drop up here. Pull up in here. That'll be an entry. That'll give you some 4 hour time right there. That'll be pulled back for the 4 hour right there. So you get a nice little pullback for the 4 hour. And then that thing can come on down. Nice little 100 pip move right there. So if you want that Cash App, there you go. Risk 2% of your account. 1 to 2%. I wouldn't get in right now on this running candle, because if you get on this running candle, you're going to be in the middle of this 4 hour candle right here. And when this thing actually does pull back, you're going to be screaming. You're going to be screaming 10 pips and drawdown for no reason. 10 pips and drawdown for no reason because you got in early. Or you can just wait for it to pull back 10 pips and get in. It's all about your entry. All about that entry. Entry means everything. But Cash App, it looks pretty dope. I'm going to put that out. It's actually pretty dope. I like that one. NZD-CHF, we can find one for that one too. They slow. These pairs, NZD-CHF and CAD, those things are snail slow. Like if you are waiting on those, you might as well get you a book. It's going to be a while. But those are good. Those are good pairs to actually practice. If you want to learn how to swing trade, those are the pairs that actually practice how to swing trade. I swing trade a lot of CAD JPY, but Cash App, if you could catch it. The daily's no joke. I'm looking for some other pairs as well. We good on GP CAD for a minute. We good on GCAD, guys. We'll see what we vibing. We vibing. Y'all ain't even say nothing. Y'all ain't even say y'all was in profit. Nothing. Y'all just listening to me. I hear you. That's what I'm talking about. Get your mind off the trade. I like that. All right, guys, we're almost at risk free. We're almost at risk free. We got like 5 pips left. Yeah, we got like, yeah, we're halfway there. Halfway there. Nice entry. We're good to go. Once we get risk free, we'll move on to the next. I don't want to get y'all too many at a time. I want to make sure we can manage them. But get y'all something to start off with. Again, I'm going to take you like maybe 1 to 3 trades, running 5%. I consider risk-free. So on these trades like this, I pick a checkpoint. So I pick checkpoints. So what I've learned is I pick checkpoints. So 20 pips for me, yes, is risk-free. Don't mean I'm taking my money. Just know I'm risk-free, and I can just start trying to move my stop loss up. I don't gotta like put it in profit right away. Move my stop loss in profit. So risk-free for you guys on this call, yeah. On the calls, I make them 20 pips. My bad, guys. Sorry, my computer been updating and stuff like that, so it's been going crazy. My bad. All right, y'all see my screen? Y'all hear me? Everything? All right, hold on 1 second. Boom. All right, cool. My bad. I disconnected my second. My bad. Hold on. Let me go ahead and do something fast so we don't drop my call. There we go. All right, so y'all hear me? We good? All right, cool. So what I do is on my risk free. Make sure I'm sharing this right. On risk free, what I do on these calls, I make 20 pips risk free for you guys because some of you guys are scalpers. You guys aren't like in for the long run. I get it 100%. Everybody, I respect that. but I look for 50 pips or more. So I'm looking to get in the trade. I'm looking to be in there for a while. So, but what I do is I will make, if I'm looking for a 100 pip move or a 70 pip move or whatever it is, when I get to a checkpoint, it's called checkpoints. So this trade is 20 pips right here, be risk free for you guys, right? But in my trading style, it will be about 35, about 30 to 35 pips. So when it hits 30 pips, I'm at a risk-free area. So I'll move my stop loss. I'll place it 3 to 5 pips in front of my entry. That'll be my risk-free. And when risk-free is, when I know I got enough, like, okay, if I'm up $300 or I'm up $3,000, whatever it is, that's the number I'm looking at. But I look at how many pips it is. So I look at least 30% of the move to be risk-free. So this right here is 61, 62 pips. So at least 20 to 25 pips, and look at that, it'd be risk-free on this time frame. So 20, 25, I'll make it risk-free. I'll take some partials and I'll let the rest ride. Like, I don't care if it comes back to my entry. I don't care about any of that. I'll just let it ride. I won't do anything else. So that's all it is. It's just pick your checkpoints. Are you comfortable with 20? Are you comfortable with 20 pips being risk-free? Are you comfortable with 30? But you just got to make sure that you're comfortable with your checkpoints. I make checkpoints on all my stops. So I'm like, look, this thing's pulling back, but it ain't telling me to get out. Let me just take some more partials. And as this thing does this, look, as it goes up, it goes here. All right. So hold on, let's see. If I'm trading two standards, right? I'm trading two standards. All right. I put my initial here. My initial is here. And when it comes up here, right? I'll go ahead and I'll take a standard off. And this thing starts to go up some more. So now I'm playing with a standard and it goes up some more. It goes up. Now it's up about 30 pips. I'll give it for you in a second. It goes up 30 pips. And then what I'll do is I'll take some more partials. I'll pick off 0.5. Now I got 0.5 running. I took off a standard and a half. All right. So 1.5 I took out. And now I just got to let it running. At that time, I'm already letting this just go risk-free. I don't even care if it comes back because I already took a standard and a half off already. So I got a lot of money out of it. You know, I'm already 50 pips in profit. I ain't got to be greedy. So I'm already in. Guess what? If I put it here, 35 pips, how far is it really going to retrace? Come back here. Maybe down here back to the risk-free zone. This is where trailing stops get hit because trailing stops, they come to your first TP. So when them trailing stops come up, guess what? Your trailing stops hit for no reason. When you're all the way down here waiting for that trade to ride, well, guess what? That thing comes back up, hits that TP, and you good to go. So guess what? You were all the way up and down here, risk-free, 3 to 5 pips in profit. I mean, for this thing to come all the way to 60 pips and then drop down, I mean, it's a lot. That's a lot of movement. But that's how trailing stops get hit. That's why I don't do trailing stops. They get hit like that because they go to your first TP. Once you get TP1, you go right to the TP. That's why I don't do them. I don't got nothing against them. I just don't do them because I like to hold that trade a little more. But that's what risk-free is. That's what it means. Or that's how I play it, at least. But I teach something called Stack University too, where you can stack the same trade over and over and over. So where you can get this trade over and over and over and hit this one pair for hundreds and hundreds of pips. And you just keep on hitting it. You keep on hitting it. So yeah, that's all it is. Appreciate that though. Good question. So you said the CAD was a CAD CHF sell limit. Hold on, let me get it. It's something you just gotta be patient. That's all it is. You gotta have your exits. You gotta have your entry. You just gotta be patient. All that trying to get in, and people like right now, people would get out because it's pulling back. Like that's the wrong way to trade. It's because it's pull. I mean, it has to pull back. No matter what, every pair's got to pull back. I mean, ideally, I wanted to pull back. It gives me better entries. I can hit it over and over and over. But yeah, Dante. Yeah, you put me on that France 40, man. I've been playing that thing ever since. I'm playing France 40 ever since. I've been scraping that thing. I've been scraping the heck out of France 40. I forget US 30. I don't even care about US 30 no more. They can have that US 30. France 40 is my new wave. Oh man, that was a good one. I don't even care about US 30. Can care less about it. Yeah, and it's so smooth. It's a smooth ride, man. It's just a smooth ride. Like doesn't it's not so volatile. Like it don't spike all the time. It's just like nice smooth ride. Like US 30 give me no warning. You just take off on me. I'm like, I was in profit, all of a sudden gone. I'm like, what the heck just happened? Just take it away immediately. It just takes it away immediately. I'm like, man, yeah, James, you gotta try that thing. That thing is smooth. It's a smooth ride. Let's see what else we got over here. Check it like at least one or two more trades. I got y'all some 15 an hour. Yeah, 15 is straight because it leads into the intraday. Yeah, 15 leads into the intraday. Yeah, I put it on vibe though, so you good. It's calling out on vibe. USDs. What's that? The exotics. Let this trade ride. If this thing comes back and it closes, guess what? We don't. If anything, guys, if we lost this trade, say it came back to our entry, yes, we were like 10 pips in profit. If you took your money, cool. But if we lost this trade, say we losing right here. We losing like right there. So what that is right here, 10 pips. You're losing 10 to 12 pips based on our exit. We got to exit. So the exit will get us out before it even hits our stop loss. Just like that. All right. So we ain't got to worry about coming down here and trying to hit this. Let's just completely get some crazy spike. But other than that, just got to let it ride for a minute. What is, let's see, USD ZAR. USD Huff looks nice. Let me see. USD Huff looks pretty good. USD Huff looks pretty good. Let's check it out. USD Huff looks nice. Looks nice. Looks pretty nice. USD Huff. I like this one. Let's see what 30-minute doing. All looking good. No, got a crazy drop ready, but not too bad. Man, GCAT, are you serious right now? GCAT be tripping. The GP pairs. If you play GP pairs, if you play any GP pair, you have to expect at minimum, a 40 to 45 pip pullback at minimum. So if you ever playing GP pairs, you better have a stop loss of at least 40 to 45. If you don't, you just don't even play it. Honestly, ours is short. I'm just saying in general. I'm not looking to lose a lot. Like I'm not looking to be like, all right, I'm losing 40 pips. But if you're actually playing it, you need to have a respectful stop loss of at least 40 to 45. They pull back on average 40 to 45 pips minimum. That's the minimum stop loss. So if you ain't got a minimum 45, you're not comfortable with that, don't play GP pairs. Unless you know how to play an exit in the market. Like we have exits, so I don't worry about having a 25, 30 pip stop loss. I'm not worried about that. But if you're trying to really play it, this thing's fast. I wait for the pullback, but we'll catch them in 1 hour. Yeah, make sure you have a respectful stop loss, 100%. I'm gonna put some of these out later. Actually, Thursday's a pretty good day. Thursday like reversal days. Thursday like to reverse, like to pull back and reverse, take you out, pull you back. Like Rob was saying yesterday, they'll pull you back, take you out, pull you back, take you out, put you in profit, take you out. That's that Elliot's wave happening, but you don't see it because you're not paying attention to Elliot's wave. But that's what it's doing. That's what they do. They try to get you like that. All right, GCAD. What was your last drop here? Boom. 6, 4, 4. Boom. All right. Really wanted that one. I got in too late though. We would have gotten too late. Yeah, you definitely want that, guys. Definitely, guys. Definitely. So if you're playing GP pair, I'm just, hey, look, you'll see. Go back test it. Minimum 40 to 45. Them candles are no joke, especially 1 hour. If you're playing off the 1 hour, you better have at least a 65 to 70 pip stop loss. You play in the 4 hour, you're in the hundreds. 100 pips. You're looking for 100 pips on that if you're in the 4 hour because you're swing trading that. You're not scalping that. So if you say, oh, I'm mark up on the 4 hour, yeah, I'm marking up on the 4 hour, I'm playing the 4 hour, you better have 100 pips stop loss. Because you about to go through some emotions off those lower time frames. Your emotions are gonna be out of control. You're gonna see that 70 pip drawdown. You're like, oh man, like Vonzel told me this was gonna happen. He told me this was gonna happen. I should have known this. You can't be surprised. So Euro NZD, only Euro pair I like. Check out the 4 hour. So I swing some of this. Nope. For real. Let's see. Yeah, nothing crazy moving. Nobody like they move the market just stopped. The market just completely stopped. Yesterday did the same thing. It just stopped. Everything just stopped. Just like 12 o'clock, like nothing moved. Nothing moved. But France 40 was moving though. I'll tell you that. It was still moving. What page y'all looking at today? Yeah, I'm just getting y'all the best possible trades. I'm not getting y'all in like 3 trades and being like 3 trades and drawdown. Like, nah, I'm not doing that right now. ETH. Not doing that today. It's Thursday. The last trade day of the week for me. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, put money in your pockets. Monday and Friday is the trap days. And they will trap. And they're going to hang you. And you're going to be holding on to those trades and drawdown. It's terrible. They get you every time. They get me sometimes too. Don't worry. They get me sometimes too. I'm like, man, they ain't got me. Now I'm about to have crazy swap fees. I had a crazy swap fee yesterday. $172. I was like, what the heck? I had to look this thing up. Like, what is this? Said never again. Play that. Never play that lot size again. Not on this pair. Never know what crypto going to do. You never know. Just got to play with the trend. You never know what they're going to do. Man, GK got some good rejection, man. Whatever level that thing is at, it's got some serious rejection. Let's look at GK real quick. We might just take our profits, a little rinky dink profits on this. Hold on, see something. We might take our little profits on this. I like that rejection there to retest. Don't like all that. See the 1 hour doing. Hold on. I hope it might be all right. Hold on, might be all right. Should be good. Yeah, we're good, guys. We're good. Stay in this thing. I'm just checking to see what's keeping us in. That's all. Checking to see what keeps us in. You guys might be able to actually hold this for a minute. Same stop loss, but gonna give you a better risk to reward. If you want to take your money now, if you got money, you can take your money, whatever, boost for you. But I'm just looking at something longevity of this trade. Because these pairs about to run today. They're about to run. 60. I've watched this thing go 150 pips in a day. This GU does it. GU did it yesterday. G Chef did it in the last like day and a half. Hey, make sure so this drop a horizontal line on your MT4 on GUP CAD at 1.67190. 1.67190. You drop a horizontal line there. That's going to indicate for you guys, because some of you guys don't know the exits yet, but that's just dropping it there to get rid of your emotions. So if the pair XCGP CAD on a 15-minute time frame, you're only looking at that time frame. If it pulls down and it actually closes below that, then you want to exit on that right there. So that's just letting you know for your emotions. So if you see that happen, then you want to exit. That's your exit for those of you who don't know the exit yet. What just do? There we go. So that's for those of you who don't know exits yet. That'll get you out the trade earlier without hitting your stop loss. So we don't do that. We don't do that whole trying to hit our stop loss half the time unless you're trying to hold the trade, set it and forget it. But we do have exits. So if you do go below that line, it closes and go that direction, exit the trade. That's all. That's all you got to do. It's like 12 pips right there. 12 versus your 20. It's easy for you to get 12 pips. That's all it is. I hear you, Ant. I've been there. So let that trade be though. All right. If we're on here and I see the exit, we're going to exit. That's all. But if I don't see the exit, I'm not getting out because we know we got a lot of rejection right here. This thing can reject like all the entire time. You just continue going up, reject, continue up, reject, and then it just shoots up 60 pips. So that's all. Nah, I'm not. But it's hard to trade. It's hard to trade. Some of you guys, anybody real new on here? Like anybody like real new, like just started like this week or last month or something like that? This is the hardest month to trade. It's the hardest month to trade. I kid you not. It's like, I ain't even gonna lie. I almost didn't even do any live sessions, but James convinced me. He said, keep doing them. Who cares? We win or lose. Let's keep doing them. He's like, keep doing them. Yeah, we already in that thing. Yeah, you don't hop in yet. Well, I mean, you can, but don't hop in yet because we're already you get a better position, but yeah. What do you think about the cash? Yeah, it's making what it is. Nope, I'm not messing with it. We see this right here. On Cat C, it's up 15. Let's check it. Let's see. Let's see what it does. Let's see what it's doing. What's today? The 9th? All right, so A range. A range. Let's see what it did. Let's look at it at the bigger scale. Oops. All right, at the A range. Broke that low. Looks good. Gave you a little vector in there. Boom. Gave you that. All right. Gave you the second low. About right there. Looking good. Didn't take it out. Got you some divergence. Bam. Bam. All right. I see you, Kaylin, doing homework. Okay, hold on. We might have something here. All right. What we gotta wait for now? Bow. Looks good to me. Might be the wave. Let's see. We got a true shift. Boom. Spread times 2. Low that low. 2, 3, 2 times 2 is 4. Boom. Below that low, out of the reach of the dealer. 1 or 2 risk to reward. Oops. Oh, go back. 1 or 2 risk to reward. Bam. We're looking pretty good. Let's just see what it do. We got like 7 minutes. Let's see if they solidify it. We got 7 minutos. Let's see what they do. You got everything in place. See what they do. Let's see if they rock out. Stop loss gonna be here anyway. Stop loss ain't gonna move, so I put that right there. That ain't gonna move. Easy markup. You on your phone? You caught that on your phone?
Nah, I'm at home. I'm on my iPad now. I'm looking at GU too.
Yeah, same thing. They doing some vectors. They busting out vectors now.
Yeah.
See, like having extra eyes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they doing their homework. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Extra eyes. Can't see everything. Even I got like 5 screens, but you know. I got them all up on NDCs right now too. Yeah, I gotta be careful on GU. Gotta be careful on that thing. I think it bites you right now. GU dipping. GU ain't playing.
Yeah.
GU ain't playing no games on people. They dipping.
Yeah, I'm kind of hesitant on GU too. Them GBP pairs, they get you fast.
They're out of control right now. All right, so cash up might be a good move, and you can play up to that sell limit. So that's actually not bad, but it's a pretty good move. We got consolidation here, so we zoom out. Real move, consolidation, real move, consolidation. What we don't want them to do is drop and give us another real move, but they consolidate and pop back up. Look at these W's. We buy on W's, we sell on M's. So right now they respected the first leg, and we have a second leg. The first leg and second leg. So therefore, let me zoom in here. First low, second low. It broke the A range low. So I broke that session low. So they trapped these traders up. They trapped these traders down here. They pulled back up. They made a second low. The second low didn't take out the first low. All we want to do is wait for the market to do their shift. And we'll get in. We'll be up in that trade. And we'll look to go to the upside. The 15-minute contacts of 30. 30 contacts of 1 hour. 1 hour contacts of 2 hour, 3 hour, and 3 hour contacts of 4 hour. And this is what it can go up to. Just like this. Wow. All the way up. Feel that candle. Come all through up. Come up towards that daily. So yeah, it got some resistance up here. It's that daily. So it'll probably hit up here eventually, and pull back down. But we're in all the noise. But we gotta wait for this candle to form in 4 minutes to actually get in to see what they want to do. We can get in now. I mean, me personally, I would get in now based off my TDI, but I'm not getting y'all in that early because with this TDI comes a little bit of drawdown, and some of y'all can't handle that yet. I don't need y'all having no heart attacks about that. Drawdown, no joke. People hate drawdown. I hate it. People hate drawdown. I get it. I hate it too, but we aggressive traders around here, so we aggressive traders. I'm an aggressive trader. Real aggressive. All right, so we got about 4 minutes on this candle. Yeah, it will give you anxiety, but you're gonna learn today about some drawdown, and then you'll be happy about drawdown because then you just get mad entries on drawdown. Gotta capitalize on the drawdown. That's why I like EMAs. So I play EMAs. So I know when the pullbacks happen. You know what? It's pulling back. Let me go check this time frame. We hop in there real fast. You know, I scalp intraday and swing. That's the beauty about this strategy. I can do all three in one trade. All right, so when this candle, we have 3 minutes. So I'm gonna come back to this for a second. Leave it here for a second. I'm gonna look at the other pairs. GCAD doing some nasty rejection right now. Doing some pretty good rejections. So let's go ahead and close these little pips here. Let's go ahead and close this win right here fast. Let's close this out. GCAD. I don't like the rejection on this right here. Just go ahead and close that out in profit. Let me know, you guys. Give me some twos. You make sure you close in profit. Make sure your spreads aren't crazy. The spreads are opening up on GCAD, and I don't like what I'm seeing right now in the rejection. A lot of rejection going on. All this right here, see this consolidation is happening right now. Let me know y'all get actually closed out. Y'all good. It might pop up, that's fine, but I'm not liking this reject all this right here. Because it can refill this. Refill all this right here. It could just come down. I don't like all that. Right now, they created that high. Yeah, I don't like all that. Yeah, they're creating that vector. Yeah, they're creating the vector guy. Yeah, we're gonna get out of that. You definitely close out of that. They're creating the fast magnitude push to fake out. They're creating that first high. And this is what they're gonna do. Bam, come back down, put us back down. They're gonna do this, bam, and then come back down. We're not trying to do all that. So we're gonna get out right now. So make sure you guys are out of there. Yep, that's what they're gonna do. They pin these, they're trying to pin us up here. They tried to pin us. They tried to pin us. They tried to pin us. They almost got us though. They almost got us. They almost got us. They almost did. They almost did. They pinned Timmy Johnson up here though. They pinned him. He pinned. Timmy Johnson stuck. Come down, boom. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I don't like that. That's all right. We'll take our little pips and roll out. We're good. We'll find some better trades. We'll find some better trades. Kachev looks pretty good. Let's check it while I'll be in the intraday. We got 57 seconds. So long as it's closes, we're good. We check the 30-minute. Looks good. Make sure you're not running into anything crazy. Looks good. All right. Yeah, the wave. Yeah, the wave. Everybody on that wave now. Robin put y'all on. Robin put y'all on the wave. Oh man, that wave no joke. He stay playing that Elias wave. That's all he play. As soon as you see the waves, he in there. We're gonna get 2 trades that we can actually run into New York session at least. So let me actually, so that sell limit, delete that sell limit. Delete that sell limit for a second. Hold on. 1 second. Hold on 1 second. Before I say that, hold on 1 second. Let me see something. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. Hold on before I say that. Hold on. Hold on. This friend just was getting me. What is G Chef doing? Pulled up. What is AUD Chef doing? Pulled up. Into DCHF. 1 second. I'm just checking. I'm checking some guys. Hold on. Just checking some on Cat Chef before we actually get into C, because the sell limit is looking legit. Put us in profit like literally 10, 15, and then it just drops. We don't want to happen. Which is 15 is good, but this sell limit we have up here is legit. It's pretty solid. It's like right here. It's like literally right there. I might have to hold off on this one. Might have to hold off. Yeah, I might have to hold off on this one. Keep that sell limit where it's at. Keep that sell limit where it's at, actually. Don't even move. If you want the sell limit, take that sell limit, keep where it's at. Because, yeah. This higher time frame is pretty solid. It's got a nice drop. It's got a drop. It's got a drop. I don't like that drop. I like the sell limit hitting us and dropping, but I don't like this 15 pip when we know it can go up here. It's got money up here and it's got money down here. It's a lot of space, but the real trend is down right now. Right now, the real trend is down. Let's see. We got 15 pips to that sell limit. 10 pips. Let me see. Hold on. Let me find out. Let me see. Hold on. Let's check. Let's check. Hold on. I got you on time. Hold on. I'm just checking. We got time to get in. It's pulling back, so we gotta wait. We got time. We got time. Hold on. I'm just making sure, because this is actually a pretty good trade. Something you can actually watch go a long way. So it's literally 4 pips from the sell limit. And this is cleared down to right. It's like really right. It's literally at the entry. That's literally the sell limit right there. Dang. What are you doing, TDI? Let's see. Yeah. Yeah, keep your sell limit there. Keep your sell limit there. If you want to scalp it to the up there, go ahead, go for it. Definitely go for it. If you want to scalp this thing, go for it. I'm not gonna put it out there though. I'm gonna keep the sell limit. I feel comfortable more with that sell, giving you all that sell limit. This thing is pulling. And if it takes out this low, it's out of there. So the parameters on that, on the sell limit on Cat Chef. I'm gonna give you some guys more trades in a minute though. But here's your sell limit on Cat Chef. I'm gonna keep it there. That's a good look though, Caitlin. I like that one. I just like that rejection up here. That range is rough. But that's how you analyze your trades, guys. You got to talk to it. You got to, you know what? I like this, but I don't like this. I like this. I don't know if I want to take this here. Let me look at the time frame and see what's happening. You got to make sure you looking at analyzing your trade. Takes me like maybe 15 minutes to analyze it because I mean I know I'm looking at, but realistically, you gotta make sure you're looking, get the best possible entry. Where can this trade take me? It can take me up here, yeah, but guess what? On the sell limit right here, this thing can take me all the way down here. This thing can take me down there, way down there. You talking just dripping. First level or second level, first level, and second level. Talking about way down there, which is off the daily. If you in there never touch, you get out. The daily is getting ready to do something. Look, the daily's getting ready to come down as well. This daily, clear downtrend, bam. Yeah, this is way down here. Look at that. Yeah. It's a risky, not risky, but you can scalp it. I'll look for the longevity to trade. That's how you post a trade. Stop loss is 72866. 72886. My bad. All right, let's look at some. Yeah, I'm gonna hold that. All right, gold. I see US 30 popping up today. I see gold doing a little bit of a drop and dance. I see gold dropping like it's hot. You know, I'm playing some gold today. All right, this is so for selling on, I'm gonna do a sell limit on gold, and then I'm gonna do an actual like sell stop on gold as well. I'm gonna do sell limit and a sell stop. So you'll be able to hit this thing twice because we already know it's coming back up here to 1787. It's no doubt. No doubt it is. This time we're doing 1794 because yesterday I put it at 1793.80 and it hit 1793, 92.80, hit 1793, and the thing dropped all the way to all three of our TPs yesterday. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. But it hit it. I should have known because 1792 was literally right here, right up here. Yeah. Right there. Yep. I wasn't out of the reach of the dealer. So I was like, well, when I went back and looked at it, I said, well, there it goes. I wasn't out of reach of the dealer, but that's out of the reach of the dealer right here. So 1794.58. So I said, well, out of the reach of the dealer. Give yourself some room. All right, this is the sell limit on gold. And then I'm gonna do a sell stop on gold. Maybe not doing a sell stop. Maybe not. Might just drop on us. That's okay though. We're going patient on it. We know New York opens up. TP. The reason I put multiple TPs is because some people actually stack gold. We call it a stack university. People like to actually stack gold and they like to capitalize on it. So they'll put their O1s, and some of these are within 30 pips of each other or more. So they can do a lot on it. You can make a lot. You can do we've done challenges. We do like a called $1,000 challenge, and we've made $1,000 off of just 10 cents per pip on gold. We used to do that like last year. We used to do that a lot. We should just trade gold for the month, and we just stack O1s at our positions and just continue just riding gold. So that's why you see me put these TPs, because some people actually stack these trades and they roll with them with the stop loss, because your proper risk management on it. So gold sell limit, bam. That's what I see on there. I was going to put the sell stop, but it dropped on us for a minute. So we're going to see. We're going to do a buy limit instead. I'm going to do a buy limit instead. Well, I put the buy limit out already. I did it yesterday. That was yesterday, my bad. So now we're not. I put it out yesterday. So yeah, just be patient on this. So what gold's doing is playing this zone. Like if you like gold, this is what it's doing right here. It's playing this area right here. That area right there. And that area right there. So that's what it's playing at. Probably, I mean, that's just kind of slop right here, but this is where it's at. This whole massacre right here. This whole massacre. Look at this nonsense. Loves these levels. So we know that if it breaks, 1765, you know where it goes, 1720. The thing just drops all the way down. 1720. It'll drop all the way down here. Bam. If it breaks 1795 or 1796, we know it goes to the 1820s. So it's once it breaks these areas, like it's gone. You know what I mean? It's gone. A lot of rejection up here, though. A lot of rejection at this 1810 level. So you just got to be patient on this. Play proper risk and you're good to go. But that's how, when you see gold in those zones like that, it's you're playing up and down. You can literally play. This is the time you can play support resistance. It hits that support level. Guess what you can do? You can buy. You can go ahead and buy up. Hits that resistance level. That's what you can do. You can go ahead and sell it. As basically is playing ping pong in those areas. But if you want to ride gold you want to really get it. You got 2 minutes. 2 minutes on 1 hour, so check it out. Let's check. Wow, you got 2 minutes on this thing. Looks good. What's good? Bam. Right at our entry. Let's see. Hold on. Let's see. 1771 should drop to. Wow. There we go. All right. So we got 50 seconds on this. So 50 seconds on this. If you want to enter gold on this sell, right? Enter gold on this sell. I'm gonna give you a few TPs. The stop loss is gonna stay literally like 3 pips above our entry that we're having for the sell limit. It might even go further. It might be, yeah, we're just doing a risk reward 1 and 2. So hold on, make sure it's 1 and 2. Can we sell myself short? I'm gonna take the same trade. Taking the same one. You guys can definitely enter on. You can get earn on gold here. You guys can enter on gold. Make sure you pop a risk. Definitely pop a risk on this. All right. Let me hold on. Get the parameters. $80. All right, guys, that's gold right there. All right. Put it here for you guys. That's what I see on Mr. Gold. Thing comes down fast, comes down fast. Might hit the first TP before we rock off. Shoot, might hit the first TP. Never knows. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at gold. So if it comes back up here, right? This is where our the stop loss area is actually our sell limit. So that's our sell limit. So I expect gold to actually come up here and hit our sell limit today. Because it's been doing it already. So come back up here, hit our sell limit today, and then come on out. Come on down again. But I expect this thing to actually drop. And I do have a buy limit at 1771 that I put out. So that's why I stopped at 1772. If you see this thing at 1771 and it's like looking like this wick right here, and it's not putting you in, you can go ahead and drop a lot size on there. And just because you're not at that actual that number, that the buy limit or sell limit, you can go ahead and manually execute that trade, because sometimes everyone spreads different on their broker, so they might not be able to get into that trade. Like yesterday, I didn't get in GU. We were up on GU, but I didn't get into it because my spread didn't put me while I was sleeping. But if I seen it, I would have manually clicked the button to get in trade. So if you see it like 3, 4, 5 pips away, you can go ahead and manually hit it. If it's like 7 to 10, don't even worry about it. But 3 to 5 is okay, because that's the normal spreads. That's normal spreads. 3 to 5. Anything after 5, no go. If you got to trade a spread and it's a spread is 5 on a forex pair and it's like 5 spread, heck no, don't do that. You be down $5 immediately if you trade in a dollar lot size. All right, so 1782, and the first one is 1780. So 1780. It's a good drop right here. It's a good one. But blue is for you, so you take your money whenever you want to take your money. But this is what I see on gold, and let it ride. Let it do its thing. All right, USD Huff. Man, I should have took USD Huff when we had a chance, huh? Thing is bussing. USD Huff is bussing. I should have had a chance. That 15-minute rocked. Easy TP. All right, so USD ZAR. All right, I'm gonna put some trade ideas out there. You don't have to take them all, but I'm putting them out there for you guys. They're looking pretty good, so I'm gonna put them out there for you guys. You don't gotta take them all, but I'm putting them out there. Hold on, let me get these for you guys, and then yeah, let me get this. I got some trade ideas for you guys. Let me put this out there for a second. Hold on, 1 second. Gotta get my groove for a second. So mark these up properly. This is USD Huff. This is pretty fast. This is faster than gold. So when you risk this, you drop 10 cents per pip on this thing, for sure. This thing is fast though. All right, USD Huff. USD Hungarian. All that good stuff. All right, then we got, let's see, I think Zara's doing the same thing usually. Zara doing the same thing. That's USD Zar. All right, and then That thing dropped. Jeez. Oh yeah, for sure. Oh yeah, it's nice. It's real. I told you it's nice. I told you that's nice. So is UK 100. I'm about to get that one in a minute too. That's the pairs gonna have to play for the winner because these US pairs ain't gonna do much. They gonna consolidate. They gonna consolidate. All right, USD China. These are some exotics, guys. You don't have to play them all. You don't have to play any of them if you want to, but I'm putting them out there for you. All right, I got one more. I think one or two more. Put out there. After that, I think we should be good. Gold looks pretty good. Keep that selling where it's at too. Dang you, France 40. Dang, dripping. Too late for that. I'm in that one from yesterday. I held that thing. Dang. I want to get into that thing now. That's right though. It's gonna pull back. Maybe. Man, it might. It might. I do have something on that though. So I got a buy limit on that though. It might be a while before it gets there, but that's okay. But yeah, I'm gonna put it out there for you though. It might be a while before it gets there, but hey, you can set it in your MT4. Set it and forget it. It'll come there. Might happen next week. This is France 40. If your broker has it for you. Oh yeah, yeah, man. You got. I told you to hold that thing. I told you to hold that thing. I told you to hold that thing. That thing is fun. This thing is fun to play. That's what I have right now. UK, I'm not gonna mess with UK yet because it's already doing the same thing France 40 is doing. But I missed it. It's all good. But these UK, so these Euro indices, they move during London. So they're London 8 to 5. So London from 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. So 2 a.m. to 10 a.m. is when these Euro indices move. So I like to play them. After Dante put me on them, I'm like, this is pretty dope. I'm gonna play these during London. So these indices during London actually move like our indices in the US. They actually pay out a little better. They're not as volatile though. You could use a little lot size and be okay holding it, and not have to worry about it spiking and doing all this other crazy stuff. You can actually trade like a normal forex pair because they're slower. They're slower than our indices, but they pay just as much. So actually pretty nice. So these Euro indices up here, France 40. You have the IBEX. You have the Euro stocks, and you have UK 100, kind of like our US 100. France 40 is like our US 30. Yeah, that France 40 is nice. I like it. Hey, the market makers, boy, they wait for you to close. Yeah, they do. I do the same thing. Yesterday I closed. I was like, you gotta be kidding me. I closed, and then all of a sudden I was like, I'm good. I'm in profit. And then it dripped some more. I was like, I'm good profit. And then it dripped some more. I'm like, come on, man. I would just take little positions away too. I wasn't taking nothing crazy. I would just take positions away. But yeah. Any questions on these trades? The ones I put out. I mean, you don't gotta take them all, but we good on gold. You should be pretty good on gold. You should be almost at your 5% with gold. Should be pretty good on that thing. Let's see what's up. Let's see where it's at. We got our two trades. We got a little bit of GCAD. We got GCAD and we got gold right now. So we good. We blew on those. We pretty good on those. GCAD did this thing for a minute, and we got gold. So yeah, gold is pretty good. 1780. It's almost there. Got a little bit. It's almost there. Let it keep dripping. Come through dripping. That means US 30 is gonna do a nice takeoff somewhere. So US 30, if you playing US 30, look forward to take off. Looks pretty good. I just don't play. I play Euro NZD on the higher time frame. I don't mess with it, man. Euro pairs, they kill me. I lose on Euro pairs, so I know those are pairs I don't play. But it's looking good though. Looking ready to get that nice. It's got some good. Hey, it's pretty good. TI says get up in there. TI says get your trade. Mark your trade up. Yeah, that 1 hour and 4 hours good. Yeah, once it connects, it's good to go. I mean, you can do it now. Yeah, you'll be in extra early, but you'll be good. Let's see how far you got. 71 pips. 4 hour. 71 pips. See what it takes you. 71 pips. 71. Got an extra 30. See what the day looks like. It's got a pullback coming. But it might break that. Yeah, 71. Yep. Retest up here. Yeah, just about. Looks take it to the 200 daily. Man, I'm pretty jealous that France 40 is dropping right now. Pretty jealous. Pretty jealous right now. Yeah, that's all. Yep. Once the 1 hour connects, you're good. You're good to go. Connect that and roll. But I hope you guys are learning something on these sessions. Trying to be paid to wait. Be being patient. Not every time you're gonna have to click the button to have 10 trades in your MetaTrader 4. All you really need is like 1 to 3 trades, and you're golden. You don't need that many. So I hope you guys definitely learning something on these calls for sure. try to educate a little bit instead of just getting in trades, getting in 10 trades, and then all of a sudden you in drawdown and three of the six, 50%, and you breaking even. Not trying to do that to y'all. But other than that, I'm gonna see y'all tonight though. I'm gonna see y'all tonight at 7 p.m. And then Rob's got you guys at 8 p.m. So I'm doing teach you guys exponential moving averages, how I trade with these right here. So definitely get your notebooks out because it's gonna be a lot of info. And Rob's gonna teach you guys how to do market patterns, trade market patterns, like triangles, ascending, descending. So definitely get your pens out for that because you're gonna want some notes today. So you should have a lot of notes today. You should have a lot of notes today. A bunch of notes. You have a lot of notes today, actually. So, and you guys will have some homework for me at least, though. You guys have some homework. So if you're gonna have the homework for boot camp. Actually, try to mark some charts up, see what we're looking at, and we got a homework page and everything. So you'll definitely be able to post it on there. But other than that, you guys are almost at your first TP on gold. So if you want to close it, you can. If you want to just wait until it, see what it does, hey, let it ride. You know what I mean? So you're able to do that. But I appreciate all 11 of y'all hopping on and trying to learn this skill and trying to make some money. Hope I made y'all some money today. You know what I mean? Yesterday was a little different. Yesterday got us. We don't win every day. We don't win on lives every day. Not every day. Sometimes we get smacked. 3 trades in a row. It's like, well, that's the end of it. 3 trades in a row, we get smacked. It happens. But I appreciate y'all being on. I'm gonna see y'all tonight. Y'all get some sleep. Appreciate y'all.